Welcome to IT Master, your home for mastering web design, coding, and interactive creativity. In this lesson, we'll take our SVG skills to the next level. Today, we'll learn how to animate SVG paths and lines using CSS and JavaScript. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to make your SVG graphics look alive, with smooth drawing effects and interactive movement. Step 1. Create the basic SVG. Let's start simple. Type your opening SVG tag. Set the view box to 00, 300, 200. The width to 100%. And height to auto. Also, don't forget to include the XMLNS attribute width. http://www.w3.org/2000/svg. Inside this SVG, we'll draw a simple line path. Type path ID equals line path D equals M2100 L280-100, stroke equals hashtag 2196F3, stroke width equals for fill equals none /. This draws a straight horizontal line from left to right across the middle of the canvas. Step 2. Add CSS Animation. Now, let's make this line draw itself using CSS. Inside the Style tag, type Style hashtag line path stroke-dasharray 260 stroke-dashoffset 260 Animation, draw line 3's linear forwards. At keyframes draw line 2 stroke-dashoffset 0 /style. Here's how it works. Stroke-dasharray defines the pattern of dashes and gaps in the stroke. When set equal to the path length, it hides the line completely at first. Stroke-dashoffset shifts that pattern, allowing us to reveal the stroke gradually. The at keyframes animation reduces the dash offset from 260 to 0. Creating a smooth drawing effect. Now when you preview the SVG in your browser, you'll see the line draw itself from left to right. Step 3. Add interactivity with JavaScript. Alright students, now we're going to make our line animation interactive. We want the line to restart its drawing every time someone clicks on it. First, we make sure the page is fully loaded before running our code. So we use document.addEventListener, DOM content loaded, equals. This ensures our script doesn't try to run before the SVG is ready. Next, we select our line element using its ID. Const line equals document.getElementById, line path. Now comes the interactive part. We add a click event listener to the line. Line.addEventListener, click, equals. Inside this function, we do three things. Stop the current animation by setting line.style.animation equals none. Reset the dash offset with line.style.stroke-dashoffset equals 260. This hides the line again. Then, after a tiny delay of 10 milliseconds, we restart the animation. Set timeout equals line.style.animation equals draw line 3's linear forwards 10. This small delay allows the browser to register the reset properly, so the animation restarts smoothly every time we click. And just like that, with a few lines of JavaScript, our static SVG line becomes interactive and dynamic. Go ahead, click your line in the browser, and watch it draw itself again from the beginning. Step 4. Customize the look. Try changing the color or speed of your animation. For example, to make the line red, set stroke, #E91E63. To make the animation slower, change the duration to 5s. To make multiple lines, duplicate the path element and modify the coordinates. You can even combine multiple paths to create animated logos or outlines. Excellent work! You've just created your first animated SVG path, combining CSS animation with JavaScript control. Now you can turn static graphics into dynamic, interactive visuals that look professional on any website. In the next lesson, we'll explore animating complex SVG shapes using motion along paths, where elements move smoothly along curves. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next creative coding tutorial from IT Master.